Who doesn't love milkshakes? There's just something satisfying about that creamy, sweet chili goodness. They can soothe a sweet tooth craving and make you cool off on a hot summer day. Having the best milkshake makers at home is much more economical than going to a nearby restaurant and buying your favorite milkshake. Moreover, you and your family can share quality time with it. Additionally, you are able to personalize your own recipes using all your favorite and healthy ingredients. In today's video, we've gathered the 5 best milkshake makers that can let you prepare silky and premium milkshakes in your own kitchen.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
The KUNHEWUHUA Milkshake Maker is a professional-grade machine suitable for both home use and use in milk bars and coffee shops. It's also designed to make smoothies, cocktails, and milkshakes. The machine uses a 280-watt motor and has the capacity of whisking your favorite milkshake in no time, and the result is creamy and delicious. Additionally, it features 2 speed options, enabling you to add any ingredient to your milkshake so that you can enjoy any drink you want. It mixes up milkshakes, soda fountain drinks, and malted milk. Additionally, this blender mixes up egg and pancake batter as well. This unit has a stainless steel mixing cup that can hold up to 28 ounces of milkshake, which is sufficient for your entire family. The micro-switch technology allows the machine to stop when you remove the cup automatically, which ensures your safety during the process. For durability, it is constructed of metallic housing combined with a stainless steel finish for long-term use. The Oster Chocomilera Milkshake Maker is a wonderful product that features an auto shut-off function for added convenience. This is also a hands-free type of shake machine, and once you set it up, you can keep busy while your shake prepares. It has 2 stirrers built in to ensure better consistency in the preparation of drinks, shakes, and desserts. You can use a lever to select 2 different speeds while shaking. The shaft and agitator are robust and powered by a 100-watt motor that produces sufficient power for rapid operation. It is accompanied by a drink mixer and a malt cup, both of which are critical when you need the drink promptly and for storing it. Besides, it has a chrome-plated metal head design with a polished aluminum balance base for long-lasting stability. The system turns on and off with a simple push of the cup. If your budget is limited, then you can consider the Brentwood Milkshake Maker, which is a practical option for preparing classic milkshakes in your own kitchen without breaking the bank. This is designed in a classic style to complement any kitchen. With this milkshake maker, you can mix milkshakes as well as smoothies, protein drinks, and cocktails. Within 2 minutes, you'll be able to have delicious cups of milkshake. You can change the speed based on the mix's thickness to have the best milkshake. It also uses strong power of 100 watts to mix drinks efficiently. Moreover, its adjustable height allows you to place and remove the mixing cup easily. Furthermore, the main shaft is constructed from food-safe stainless steel, which is very durable. Moreover, it has a swinging mechanism that locks into place securely to prevent spills, and its rubber feet always keep the swing in place. All in all, the Brentwood Milkshake Maker is an affordable but fully functional option that you need. Bring a retro vibe to your kitchen counter with the Hamilton Beat Soda Fountain Style Milkshake Mixer. This mixer is made of die-cast aluminum and it has a commercial-grade mixing spindle, making it durable enough to use for a longer period. With a larger size of 28 ounce, this durable stainless steel cup is more than enough for a hearty serving of milkshake and makes sure you feel satisfied. Featuring a heavy-duty 100-watt motor, this built-to-last milkshake maker is able to do a good job of providing you a lot of drinking options and even be used for blending eggs. This machine has both a low and high speed, which assures you of having a great cup of milkshake and smooth texture every time. You should start with the lowest setting and then switch to the highest setting later. Additionally, the cup rest and support keep the cup firmly in place when mixing hands-free, and its tilt-back head makes removing the cup effortlessly while making cleaning a breeze. Whether serving midnight snacks or hosting a 50s themed party, the Nostalgia Milkshake Maker is the best machine to serve all with fabulous malts and milkshakes all the time. This milkshake maker features a 100-watt motor with 2 different mixing speeds that allow you to fine-tune the drink's consistency easily. Additionally, it comes with a stainless steel mixing rod, a mixing cup that can hold 16 ounces of milkshake, as well as a weighted base to support the shake in place. On the other hand, it is easy to use and clean. Furthermore, you may also make pancakes, waffles, or make eggs into an omelette with the Nostalgia Milkshake Maker. Having said that, the Nostalgia Electric Milkshake Maker is a tool that is both fun and easy to use, bringing great drinks right into the comfort of your own kitchen. So that was all about the 5 best milkshake makers. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you find the video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.